upbeat music plays in the background. Screen. The Buy Smart logo appears, then fades to the products. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we have a steam off between the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and the REECOO Steam Mop. Let's dive into the details and see which steam mop is the best fit for you. First up, let's talk price. The BISSELL is priced at $175, making it a premium option for those serious about cleaning. Many reviewers appreciate its effectiveness, especially for tough stains like grout, but some do mention concerns about its weight and cord length. On the other hand, the REECOO is a budget-friendly option at just $69. Reviewers love its performance for everyday cleaning, highlighting its quick heating and versatility. However, some have noted that the mop heads can be tricky to clean. Next, let's talk about power. The BISSELL is known for its powerful high-temperature steam, which reviewers say blasts away dirt effectively, but some have experienced issues with durability after heavy use. Meanwhile, the REECOO heats up in just 15 seconds and operates at 1200 W, making it convenient for quick cleaning sessions. Users rave about its strong steam output, but a few have noted that it sometimes sputters or cools down unexpectedly when in use. Now, let's look at functionality. The BISSELL is a 3-in-1 steam cleaner with 29 accessories, making it very versatile for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers praise its ability to clean multiple surfaces effectively, although some have found the accessories to be less durable. In contrast, the REECOO is a 10-in-1 steam cleaner and is often referred to as the Swiss Army knife of mops. Users appreciate how it can handle different tasks, but some have expressed a desire for a better cleaning performance compared to previous models they owned. Both products excel in chemical-free cleaning. The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs, and many users are satisfied with its deep cleaning capabilities. However, some have noted that it can be heavy and challenging for certain tasks. The REECOO also focuses on steam power for cleaning, and reviewers love that it cleans without chemicals, making it a great option for families. Still, a few users have reported inconsistencies in steam output, which can be frustrating during use. Overall, the BISSELL Power Steamer is praised for its effectiveness on tough stains and versatility, despite some concerns about weight and durability. The REECOO Steam Mop is appreciated for its budget-friendly price and quick heating, though some users have pointed out issues with the mop heads and inconsistent steam output. So which steam mop takes the crown? Are you Team BISSELL or Team REECOO? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Keep cleaning smart, and see you next time on Buy Smart.